I'm just going to show you quickly what I've done on page 6. So what I have done is I have chosen the vanilla and the black. We have the beigey color film strip, and these are black. So what I've done is I've cut them to fit inside. I don't know, I put them all together like a silly fool, and I seem to have got them mixed up. There we go, that's better. Okay, so I've cut 4 pieces, and what I thought of doing with this is I'm just going to tape these in place. I'm going to come in and add some bits and pieces. I don't have the words from this, but I do have the fussy cutting sheet, I do have the sticker sheet, and I have the laser cut words, which are really nice. Okay, so just going to stick I know what I was going to do, so I'll stick this one flat, and then I had thought, sorry, I'm going to do some raised ones. So I'm not doing them, they're not high, they're going to be just a 1 mil. So I've got some red foam tape. I'm going to raise the other 3. I might take this other black one off and raise it as well. This stuff makes your scissors so sticky. Okay, so I've raised that one, this one is flat. I was going to raise this one, but I'm a bit stupid because there's a fold there. So I'm actually going to have to cut it over that fold. And I don't think know if this tape it's going to work well with it being raised. Let's try. Remember, you would have to cut your photo as well. This might be a bit of a problem. I'm just going to see if I can move it up a little bit so it's not, I had it on the fold. Right, so it's on the fold, and we've got 2 little bits there. Might be inclined to just decorate there, and this one I might lift it so that I can add some bits and pieces underneath, but I'm not thinking of doing too much to this page. I'm going to leave it just as is. We could cut another piece of this and just raise it, so for now I'm leaving it at that, and that's page 6 done. Right, we've also got this fold that needs to be addressed. And I was thinking about putting something like this on it as well, but I will come back to that. I'm going to leave it there for now.